All right, so you need to make a registration first. To make a registration, just put your block down. Thank you. Make sure when you ink up, you don't ink up on your registration. This is the ink, it's oil-based. If it gets on your skin, it's probably gonna stain, especially if it gets under your nails, so wash your hands pretty frequently. There is some glorp mixed in with this. Probably put a little bit too much ink down, but you hear that sound? Get a close-in ASMR video of this. It needs to make this sound. If it doesn't make this sound, you need to either put more ink or less ink, okay? It's very important. I'm cleaning it up a little bit. Whenever you ink up, don't put too much pressure. You see how it's getting reflective all over, right? That's really important. So the goal would be, while y'all are working, your hands are relatively clean, but so register it in your lines. They don't have to be perfect. I mean, they probably should be perfect, but they don't have to be. Your paper will line up. So seniors, you're doing bigger paper, so you're gonna need to cut your paper down today, or else it's gonna be a nightmare to do it next time, because I won't be able to go get stuff. So I'll be gone. When you register, pinch, fall. Now the idea is, now that I'm going to the press, someone else can start inking up over here. We're actually going to be using something bigger. It's a little bit more cumbersome, but considering people are doing bigger plates, we need it. So we're not using the plexi, like you probably saw the other day. We're using a taipan. That is masonite and the blanket. Make sure this blanket goes on top, okay? I don't want anything to happen to this. This is my baby. Crank it through. You can feel it when it goes past. But basically, if you want something to warn you, just close to the drying rack.
Nobody get their fingers close to that thing.
Yeah, whenever you engage the press, you'll just push down a little bit, but you don't have to have it on the whole time, okay? Because this will turn your, have I talked about it before? You know, a toothpaste, you squeegee from the bottom up, right? Yeah. Yeah, so you don't have to be scared of this, but respect it. Okay, so you can get off the press when it comes time to unveil it. All right, I think that printed just fine.
How many renditions do you want?
I want 5.
Okay.
So one of them is going to go to me for the signature private collection, and then the rest you get to keep. You can print really as many as you want.